Top 5 video cameras. Whether you're a professional videographer, an aspiring vlogger, or just interested in documenting your next big trip, there's always a perfect camera for you to bring your A game in this competitive digital world. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best video cameras available on the market today. We've made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So let's go through our list of the top 5 best video cameras and get you your next travel or vlogging buddy. First on our list is the Canon Vixia HFR800. The Canon Vixia HFR800 is Canon's low-cost dual-flash memory HD camcorder. The 32x optical zoom lens with 57x advanced zoom delivers excellent image quality and has super range optical image stabilization for sharp low-light video or going handheld without a tripod. The HFR800 can record at up to 35 Mbps using MP4 compression and records about 2 hours to a 32GB SDHC/SDXC memory card at maximum HD quality. Its camcorder turns on or off instantly when you open the LCD panel. It has a pre-rec function that enables you to record the previous 3 seconds of your video, which is fantastic, so you don't miss that cool footage before pressing the record button. The HFR800 also features an intelligent IS or image stabilization system, setting a standard for the best you can get. This is one of the budget camcorders that excels in video recording quality, zoom facilities, and image stabilization. The crisp, sharp, vibrant, colorful, and stable images and videos are more than worthwhile for your budget. For families or anyone that needs a camcorder to record all those amazing moments, this one should be pretty high on the wish list. Canon never fails to surprise customers with new features in their camcorders, and the 57x zoom and image processing chipset are classic examples of that. The Canon Vixia HFR800 features a dual-flash memory HD camcorder, 32x optical zoom lens with 57x advanced zoom, super range optical image stabilization, 35 Mbps recording with MP4 compression, 2 hours record time with 32GB memory card at maximum HD quality, pre-rec function, and an intelligent IS system. Its pros are: it is easy to use, comes with a hand strap that simplifies holding a camera, delivers HD quality videos, and a remarkable image stabilization function. Its cons, however, are: it only offers 1920 by 1080 megapixel resolution, it lacks manual audio control level, and some reviews show that it is not compatible with High Sierra Mac OS. Up next in the 4th spot, we have the Sony FDR-AX33. The FDR-AX33 was one of Sony's first compact 4K consumer camcorders. This model shoots at 4K Ultra HD with 8 megapixel resolution versus only 2 megapixels for full HD. In addition to shooting at 4 times the resolution of HD, this model has Sony's best balanced optical steady shot, or BOS image stabilization, the first 4K model to have this technology. The FDR-AX33 has many high-end features such as premium Carl Zeiss lens with 1.8 to 3.4 aperture, 10x optical and 20x extended zoom. The footage in 4K can also be used for full HD video production, as you can crop or zoom in on your footage and still remain full HD quality. While the price may be on the high side for casual users, shooting 4K is future-proofing, at least for the next few years. The FDR-AX33 Handycam is a sound investment as it features all possible aspects of high-end professional equipment. This cam might be a bit overwhelming with all the technical features it provides, but is worth learning its ins and outs. To sum it up, the Sony FDR-AX33 features 4K Ultra HD with 8 megapixels resolution, Sony's best BOS image stabilization, and Carl Zeiss lens. Its pros include: it is compact and lightweight, easy to use, amazing image stabilization, and it can definitely produce stunning videos. However, it produces average performance in low-light environments. Our third video camera on the list is GoPro Hero 8 Black. The GoPro Hero 8 Black is one of the best cameras for providing an intuitive platform that anyone can use. Even the most amateur filmmakers blush with confidence in their work with Hero 8 Black's additional features like Hypersmooth 2.0 video stabilization, including boost and game-changing in-app horizon leveling that offers the smoothest video ever on a Hero device. It completely beats out the competition by a wide margin. It is also equipped with the adaptable Time Warp 2.0, which automatically adjusts speed on motion, scene detection, and lighting. Hero 8's black robust video and photo suite, its user interface, and a wide selection of versatile built-in digital lenses make it easy to understand why it's the flagship of GoPro's Hero line and cams in general. It is also 33-foot waterproofed without any kind of additional housing. And mind you, with a lens cover that's 2 times thicker and more resistant to scratches and abrasions, as well as its waterproof feature, this well-rounded action camera is sure to take on anything with ease. You won't miss an action moment with Hero 8 Black's live burst mode, where you can capture 1.5 seconds before and after action. It also carries a night-lapse video feature that gives you stunning videos of night scenes coming to life. All in all, the Hero 8 Black features are Hypersmooth 2.0, a radical enhancement to Hypersmooth with multiple levels of stabilization. Time Warp 2.0 for an automatic speed adjustment. Live burst mode. Night lapse video. And it is rugged and waterproof. Its pros are best-in-class digital stabilization, unique features, and improved microphone quality. On the downside, it has sub-smartphone picture quality and has poor low-light performance. Second on our list is the Panasonic HC-V180k. The Panasonic HC-V180k is the best choice if you like the specs of the HC-V270 but want to save money and Wi-Fi isn't a huge deal. That kind of savings can get you a really good high-capacity memory card. It isn't an exciting camcorder, but it is nice to see budget consumers having more choices than ever. The HC-V180k boasts an impressively long 50 times zoom, as well as 90 times intelligent zoom, to ensure that everything is always in focus and clear, no matter how far away the user is from the subject. It is designed to allow some creativity from the users, thanks to the fun controls that enable additional effects. The HC-V180k also features a hybrid optical image stabilization for maximum handheld stability. This powerful piece of equipment only weighs 7.5 ounces, which makes it easy for most people to handle without getting too tired. It's very easy to hold and fits perfectly in hand, which reduces hand fatigue and strain. It also has impressive sensors to ensure excellent video quality at all times during the day and night, regardless of lighting quality, as well as a responsive touchscreen and 2-channel zoom microphone for clear audio irrespective of distance. The Panasonic HC-V180k features a super sharp Full HD 1080p recording, 90 times intelligent zoom, hybrid optical image stabilization that provides maximum handheld stability, a responsive touchscreen on 2.7-inch LCD, and a 2-channel zoom microphone. Its pros are great image stabilization for a low-end camera, improved lens and microphone, and its 28 Mbps AVC HD recording option. However, the HC-V180k shows no improvement in low-light performance. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. On top of our list is Sony FDR-X3000. The Sony FDR-X3000 has an unconventional shape that accommodates an optically stabilized lens and an 8-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor. The camera can be controlled via an LCD on its side or via an optional LCD remote. The X3000 can capture 4K 30p and 1080 120p video and supports time-lapse and live streaming. Stills can be fired off at 10 frames per second, and connectivity options include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The X3000 is splash and freeze-proof right out of the box, and an included housing allows it to dive up to 60 meters or 197 feet underwater. When you're done documenting your adventures, integrated wireless connectivity helps you organize and archive the files with little hassle. The Sony FDR-X3000 features an optically stabilized lens, time-lapse and live streaming support function, integrated wireless connectivity, and splash and freeze-proof housing. Its pros include impressive image stabilization, convenient waterproof housing, remote monitoring, tripod thread, and has plenty of accessories. Meanwhile, it has limited battery life, and it can't go underwater without its case. There you have it, folks, our top 5 video cameras, perfectly suited for whatever video needs you have. I hope we helped you out in your search for the one. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of these cameras, and remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. That's all for now, thanks for watching. If I helped you out in any way, please hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next videos.